Cooking hacks, creating delicious meals with plant-based meat alternatives. Title: Cooking hacks, creating delicious meals with plant-based meat alternatives. Alongside this movement, plant-based meat alternatives have taken center stage, offering an exciting way to recreate traditional meat dishes using purely plant-based ingredients. They are typically made from ingredients such as soy, wheat gluten, peas, and other plant proteins. Cooking hacks for plant-based meat alternatives. 1. Flavorful marinades. Marinating plant-based meat alternatives can help enhance their taste and infuse them with a variety of flavors. Use a combination of ingredients such as soy sauce, vegetable broth, garlic, onion powder, herbs, and spices to create delicious marinades. Allow the alternatives to marinate for at least 30 minutes, or longer if possible, to develop more depth of flavor. 2. Proper seasoning. Just like their animal-based counterparts, plant-based meat alternatives benefit from generous seasoning. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs, spices, and seasoning blends to add complexity and flavor. Consider options like smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, thyme, rosemary, or liquid smoke to create robust and aromatic profiles. 3. Sautéing and grilling. Sautéing and grilling plant-based meat alternatives can yield delicious results. Heat a skillet or grill on medium-high heat and lightly grease it. Cook the alternatives until they develop a golden brown crust, which adds texture and depth of flavor. Sautéed or grilled alternatives can be served as standalone dishes, or used as an ingredient for various recipes. 4. Adding moisture. Some plant-based meat alternatives can be prone to dryness. These will not only enhance the flavor but also help maintain the desired tenderness and succulence. 5. Texture enhancement. Achieving the right texture is key to replicating the mouthfeel of traditional meats. For ground meat alternatives, add a touch of oil or vegetable broth while cooking to prevent them from becoming too dry. For burgers and patties, consider mixing in breadcrumbs, oats, or cooked quinoa to achieve a desirable texture. 6. Combining ingredients. Plant-based meat alternatives can be combined with various ingredients to create unique and flavorful dishes. Mix them with grains like rice or quinoa, incorporate them into stir-fries, casseroles, pasta sauces, or even use them in stuffed vegetables, such as peppers or mushrooms. The possibilities are endless. Cooking hacks, creating delicious meals with plant-based meat alternatives, continued. 7. Steaming. Steaming is a gentle cooking method that can help retain the moisture and tenderness of plant-based meat alternatives. Place the alternatives in a steamer basket and steam them until they are heated through and tender. This technique works well for products like sausages, chicken-style tenders, and even seafood substitutes. 8. Incorporating umami flavors. Umami is often described as the fifth taste, known for its savory and meaty characteristics. Enhance the umami flavors in plant-based meat alternatives by adding ingredients like miso paste, tamari, nutritional yeast, or mushroom powder. These ingredients contribute depth and richness to the taste profile, making the alternatives more satisfying and satisfying. 9. Baking. Baking plant-based meat alternatives can give them a crispy exterior and a tender interior. Preheat the oven to the recommended temperature for the specific product and place the alternatives on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them until they are golden brown and heated through. Baking works well for products like meatballs, patties, and nuggets. 10. Experimenting with different brands. Not all plant-based meat alternatives are created equal. Different brands may have different flavors, textures, and ingredient profiles. Don't be afraid to try out different brands to find the ones that suit your preferences. Some may have a meatier texture, while others may have a milder flavor. By exploring various options, you can discover your favorite brands and create outstanding dishes. 11. Pairing with complementary ingredients. Plant-based meat alternatives can be elevated further by pairing them with complementary ingredients. Consider topping a burger alternative with vegan cheese, caramelized onions, and avocado slices. Or serve sausages with grilled peppers and onions. The combination of flavors and textures can take the dish to a whole new level, creating a dining experience that is both satisfying and memorable. 12. Freezing for future use. Plant-based meat alternatives can be frozen for convenience and extended shelf life. If you have leftovers, or if you want to stock up on your favorite products, package them in freezer-safe containers or bags and freeze them. When ready to use, simply thaw them and cook according to the desired recipe. Freezing allows you to have a variety of plant-based options on hand, making it easier to incorporate them into your daily meals. 13. Trying global cuisine. Don't limit yourself to traditional meat dishes when exploring plant-based meat alternatives. Experiment with different global cuisines to create unique and exciting flavors. Make plant-based tacos with seasoned ground meat alternatives, or use chicken-style alternatives to make a flavorful curry. Exploring international recipes can open up a world of culinary possibilities and help you discover new favorite dishes. 14. Connecting with a plant-based community. Joining online forums, groups, or social media communities focused on plant-based eating can provide a wealth of knowledge and inspiration. Engaging with others who are passionate about plant-based living can give you access to valuable tips, recipes, and even cooking hacks specifically tailored to plant-based meat alternatives. Share your experiences, ask questions, and learn from others to enhance your cooking skills and create mouthwatering plant-based meals. 15. Seeking inspiration from cookbooks and blogs. There is a plethora of cookbooks and blogs dedicated to plant-based cooking and meat alternatives. Explore these resources to find new and exciting recipes that showcase the versatility of plant-based meat alternatives. From hearty stews to gourmet burgers, there are endless possibilities to keep your taste buds satisfied and your creativity flowing. By incorporating these cooking hacks into your culinary repertoire, you can continue to enjoy the deliciousness of plant-based meat alternatives. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based enthusiast or just starting to explore this dietary path, these tips will help you create mouthwatering meals that are both satisfying and nourishing. Embrace the world of plant-based cuisine and unlock the incredible potential of these meat alternatives in your own kitchen.